Well, hey friends, welcome back to What Have You Mountain. Another exciting day, newbies on an excavator. Had some heavy downpour rain last night, but as you can see, we already rented this mini excavator here, so we're going to put it to work today. We got some road improvement we got to do first, and then after that we hope to get to clear some trees and widen the road further up the trail. So stick around. It should be entertaining. I have never operated a mini excavator before in my life until yesterday when they gave me a 5-minute block of instruction. So I'm not going to give you a class on how to use a mini excavator. If you want to do that, go to Heavy Metal Learning. They'll show you how to work the controls. Great videos, Heavy Metal Learning. And then obviously if you're watching this video, you've already watched the other superstars, right? Andrew Camerata, Let's Dig, Dirt Perfect, Capper Outdoors, Outdoors with the Morgans, all those guys, experts on using these. So whatever I'm doing is probably wrong today. So you can still leave your comments down below, but be gentle. I've never used one before. So stick around. Let's see what we can get into, and let's see if we can't make this road a little better and not worse. easy breezy, right? A little shaky at the beginning, but that's what I expected. I kind of picked it up as I went along. So instead of doing a walk up the hill, because it's about a 7 or 8 degree slope, so that translates to about 12 to 14%. So it's pretty steep, and I don't feel like walking it again. And Sean's already walked it about 5 times today. So we got the trailer hooked up, which was half the purpose of us knocking those down. I realized that I should have put in some ditches on the side. If I have time, I'll come back and I'll do that later. If not, I'll do it another day, but just not today. Don't have time. That took me about 2.5 hours to go, I don't know, 900 feet, 1,000 feet, something like that. So we got more projects lined up with this excavator. So ride along, let's go up the hill and see how the trailer does. Alright, so as you see, knocked them down a little. I didn't completely knock them all the way out. I didn't want to. I still want to control some of that rainwater without having to dig a ditch. We'll see when next time it rains how that works out. But it was enough. The trailer made it up unscathed. We didn't bang the bottom. It's got a dovetail trailer. I'll show you a picture here in a second. But the dovetail is kind of low, so I had to knock those swales down so that I could get that over. And right now it's unloaded. With a load, it's going to be even lower on the back. So we just wanted to make sure we could clear all that. So on to the next project. Let's go clear some trees. So thanks for hanging out for part 1 of Newbies on an Excavator. You see, we got a lot of work done. It took me a couple minutes to get everything figured out, but once I did, it went pretty smooth. So stick around, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon, because there's going to be 3 or 4 more videos in this series of Newbies on an Excavator, and they're pretty entertaining as I'm sitting here editing them. So again, thanks for hanging out with us. Stay tuned for more episodes, and as always, be safe.